Okay, folks, example number 2. It says solve 3a plus 4b equals 2 and 5a plus 9b equals 1. And you know what? This one's a little bit different than the last one. I'm going to go back to the last one for a moment. I'm going to erase all this work, okay, so we can see the equations. You know, it was easy when we looked at this. We saw, oh, look, 5 and 10. That's easy. Just multiply the first one by 2. But see, when we look at this second one, 3 and 5 with the a's, that doesn't really go in very evenly. You know, 3 doesn't go into 5, 5 won't go into 3. Same thing with the coefficients of the b. 4 and 9, 4 doesn't go into 9 right away, and 9 doesn't go into 4. Okay? So sometimes we have to actually change both equations. Okay, well that's fine. Let's look at this first one. I don't know which one I'll do. I think I'd probably do the a's just because the numbers are smaller. And when I look at 3 and 5, I know they both go into 15, right? So I'm going to multiply this first one by 5. And I'll multiply the second one by 3. Remember, it's algebra, folks. I can do whatever I want as long as I do it to both sides, right? Well, I can't divide by 0 on both sides, but you know what I'm talking about. All right? So now look, let's distribute. That's going to give me 15a plus 20b is equal to 10. And then on the bottom equation, when I distribute, I get 15a plus 27b equals 3. All right. Now, I know that some of you don't do this, you don't like to do this. Don't do it if it doesn't matter to you. But if you're having trouble getting these things right, divide them up like this, okay? Organize your work. Now look, I'm trying to get rid of the a's because they have the same number in front of them, and they are the same sign. And if they're the same sign, then I need to subtract them. I just write that up there just to remind myself what I'm doing. So I'm subtracting in this column, and the third column. All right, so 15a minus 15a, those just cancel. I don't even write anything down. 20 minus positive 27 is negative 7b. And then 10 minus 3 is 7. Look at the teachers. Divide by negative 7, b is equal to negative 1. Gosh, that's easy. Man, that is easy. That's b. Pick an equation to plug it back into to find out what a is. Let me erase this work so I can see what I'm doing here. I'll plug it into the first one. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter which equation we plug it into. 3a plus 4 times negative 1 is equal to 2. 3a minus 4 is equal to 2. Are you telling me they're going to do the teacher thing again? Add 4 to both sides. 3a is equal to 6. Divide by 3. a equals 2. Beautiful. Now remember, these are linear equations. So they're lines. They cross. They're hitting at one point. And that point is 2, negative 1. Remember, if you don't have x and y, it's just alphabetized. Okay? If it's not x and y, then it's a and b. Or r and s. S then t. T then u. Okay? All right, that's it. Done.